Ask 10 people why they're relocating to Greece, and you'll get 50 different answers. I see this all the time because relocation is personal. It's your old life blending into your new one, and this new life trying to make sense of the old life you had. So, where do we start? Well, you cannot have the answers you want if you avoid the hard questions. Some questions will force you to be honest with yourself. And when you are honest with yourself, you can finally decide what is best for you. You can breathe. This can be your compass to the whole process. If you're here, my guess is your mind is buzzing with all the assumptions, speculations, possibilities, and choices you have out there, and you try to make sense of it. My name is Effie. I have been a travel agent helping people discover my authentic side of Greece for the last 10 plus years. Through my scouting trips, I also help people find the ideal place to call home. I know the process can escalate and get messy, leaving you more confused than when you started. So breathe. And here are 6 questions you should answer first. Question number 1. What are the 3 non-negotiables in your daily life? This is everything you're not willing to compromise on. Take a step back. Check your daily routine as it is right now, and then forget everything. So, what do you rely on without even thinking about this? For example, in US, homes comes with driveways and gated garages. In Greece, however, parking means on the street, which can be a deal for you or not, meaning you have to be prepared and choose your home differently. Other things to consider: how close you want to be to the nearest hospital or airport, how much outdoor space you will need. Is a dryer really a necessity with 300 sunny days all year around? How the noise can be a concern for you and your family. In US, a lot of suburbs might be quiet during the night. In Greece, some cities, and for example, a scooter at 2 a.m. can bother you, or some neighbors will chit chat loudly in their balcony. Or even on Sunday morning, you will hear bells from the church ringing. So, what you are not willing to compromise on, your answers might give you directions that you haven't thought of. Question number 2. Which aspects of your current life would you be most relieved to leave behind? For many people, relocating is not just what they miss from home that shapes their decision, but also what they are happy to leave behind. So, is there something you want to leave behind, such as constant rush and pressure, superficial relationships, stress, unhealthy food, processed food, for example? So, why this question is important? It's often a push factor that motivates someone to make a major move. So, if you're exhausted from overwork, Greece's slower lifestyle might be perfect for you. But if you're looking for career advancements, most likely you will find it limiting here. Question number 3. How long are you planning to stay in Greece? This isn't just about visas, although your answers will determine the type of visa you will need. Your answer will help you understand how you want to shape your life in Greece. For example, if you're thinking of a shorter stay, renting might make more sense. But if you see yourself here long term, you may consider buying a property, investing in a property, or putting some roots here, simple as creating a garden. Question number 4. Do I actually want to integrate to Greece, or I expect Greece to fit in with me? Honestly, if you're constantly comparing of what it was like before in your life, this is a fast track of frustration and disappointment. This is a new country with its own rhythms and rules. To make it work, you have to come with an open mind and willing to adapt and adjust and understand why people do what they do here. Question number 5. If I'm not working anymore, do I have enough structure and purpose in my day so that I do not spiral? First of all, stopping work, it's challenging everywhere. It's not unique to moving abroad, but in a new country, it will hit you differently. Like we said before, it's a new culture, new country, new life, new rhythm. Everything is new to you. And that means you might find yourself in a smaller social circle. Think about how willing you are to make this mindset shift. Simply by trying new things, put yourself out there, and meet new people. And question number 6, what is one thing you wish somebody honestly would tell you about moving to Greece? Let me be that person for you. If you're thinking of moving to Greece, it's time to put honesty over comfort. Don't come expecting Greece will fit neatly into your previous life. Places are not interchangeable. A road here is not the same as a highway back home. And a parking spot means you have to squeeze your car between two other cars and leave no space, and not necessarily having a painting rectangle and space to park your car. The so-called ocean is actually the Mediterranean Sea. We don't have long beaches that you are familiar with. We have small coves, small bays, secluded beaches that you can enjoy all year around. You will also notice that everything comes in a smaller size compared to US. For example, the portions of food. You will be served a plate with a smaller portion, and your coffee mug will be small instead of a big handle cup that you're used to. If you're coming here expecting a fairy tale and Greece to fit in your old ideas and reality, you will miss what is really here for you. Let yourself be surprised. Step outside of your own assumptions and let the country, the people, the culture reveal themselves to you with their own terms. If after all these questions you're ready to take the next step and relocate to Greece, book a consultation using the links below, or get in touch so we can discuss your customized scouting trip. Thanks for watching. More videos are coming.